very own sausage and egg McMuffin. Now all we need is some mustard, some garlic powder, and some onion powder, and English muffins, some cheese, some eggs, free range preferably, and some sausages. Any sausages will do. Heck, I just got the cheapest ones I could, but if you can buy sausage mince, get the sausage mince. But this is sausage mince, I just have to take it out, same thing. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, welcome back to the kitchen. First step, what we need to do is get our sausage mince prepared. So what we need to do is take them out of the skins. But lucky for me, these aren't wrapped up in skins. Hey, that's a bit unusual. Just want to crumble that up. Break it all up into a bowl. So that's, it goes with muffins. So yeah, you break these up into a bowl. So that's all crushed up into a mince. Not so much sausage that it once was. And then we will add our herbs and spices into that. So our sausages are now out of the skins, and I've got them in this bowl here. Now, what we need to do is we need to add some flavour into these. So we're going to add our garlic powder, our mustard powder, and our onion powder. And that should give us a nice patty for our sausage and egg McMuffin. So we've got some onion powder here. That's half a tablespoon of onion powder, straight in there. Look at that. Boom. We've got some onion powder. Boom, straight in there. Mustard powder. Now, what you want to do is give that a good mix, right? So we'll give that a good mix. Get all those powders mixed through the mince. Sausage mince everywhere. And that's what it should look like once you've added all your spices and you've given it a good mix. Now it's time to make our patties for the sausage and egg McMuffins. Let's get to it. Time to make our sausage patties. Now what we need is a few strips of parchment paper, cooking, baking paper, whatever you like to call it. Put it off there, stick it on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our sausage mince onto the parchment paper, that way it doesn't stick to anything. And then we'll put another piece on top and we'll squash that down and form a patty. So I'll just grab another piece here. Doesn't have to be even, just enough to cover, you know, you got 2 pieces there, that's fine. Now what we do, you want to get a scoop, like an ice cream scoop. You can use a little like spatula or something, doesn't matter. You want 1 scoop of that on there. Nice and ball. Try and just even that up so that when you press it down it's not going to break apart. We'll lay our parchment paper and just work with it, just give it a little push. Don't know if you can really see that, but it's sort of forming a nice patty here. Get a nice little push. Go around the edges and straighten it up. And there we have it guys, that is a sausage patty. Gonna do the job just like McDonald's. And yeah, we're gonna make a few more of these up and I'll see ya in a minute. Stick around for the video. Guys, there's our patties. We have 4 here. I had a little bit more, but I'm not going to make any more because 4's enough for the recipe. So, and that was probably, I don't know, say 5 sausages I'd say I've got out of these 4 patties. So, I mean, you can make as many as you like, but what we're going to do now is we're going to put these aside and we'll start cooking our McMuffins. I've got a stove here, I've got a cast iron pan. Little olive oil in there, just put a drizzle of olive oil. That way the patties won't stick when you're cooking them. And whilst our sausage patties are cooking, Gonna get some muffins in the toaster and get those toasted up and lathered in butter. That's our sausage patties cooked, our eggs, we've got some melted butter here, we've got our cheese, and I'm going to show you how to make it now. So what we need to do, set those aside, get our muffins, toasted muffins. And you just want to lather those with some butter. One slice of cheese. Overhanging a little bit too, like McDonald's when you get a sausage egg McMuffin, the cheese overhangs a little bit, so we'll recreate that. Grab our sausage patty. I like this one here, that's nice. Got a sausage patty on there. One. Okay, this one. Oh. I want to grab an egg. Straight on there. Oh yeah, look at that. Lids on. Alrighty guys, there's our sausage and egg McMuffins. We've got our McMuffin toasted with some butter, we have some cheese, we have a sausage patty, an egg, and then the top part of the muffin. And that is the sausage and egg McMuffin.